Join me as I dive into the world of Soxl stock and try to predict where it's headed right now. Soxl is a leveraged ETF that focuses on the semiconductor sector, which is a crucial part of today's technology-driven market. This sector powers everything from smartphones to advanced AI systems, making it a key area of interest for investors looking for high growth potential. The semiconductor industry is going through a tough time, with economic factors like recession fears and high interest rates causing uncertainty. Supply chain issues are also a concern, especially with geopolitical tensions affecting the production and distribution of essential components. All these factors combined make it challenging for Soxl to maintain its momentum. Investor sentiment is another critical factor affecting Soxl. Many investors are cautious due to the current market volatility, which can lead to significant fluctuations in the stock's price. The leveraged nature of Soxl means that while it can offer substantial gains during a rally, it also poses a higher risk of losses when the market declines. Despite these challenges, some experts believe that Soxl could see significant growth in the coming months. They point to potential catalysts like new semiconductor technologies, increased demand for AI chips, and positive earnings reports from major semiconductor companies. However, these predictions come with a caveat, as the market is inherently unpredictable. Expert opinions on Soxl's future performance vary widely. Some analysts predict a substantial increase in the stock's value, driven by the growing demand for semiconductors. Others, however, are more cautious, citing the potential for market downturns and the risks associated with leveraged ETFs. One of the most significant predictions from experts is that Soxl could see a price surge of over 20% in the next quarter, driven by the anticipated recovery in the semiconductor sector. However, there's a contrasting view that suggests the stock might struggle to maintain its current levels due to the high volatility in the market. The contrasting views highlight the importance of careful consideration for investors. Some experts advise a cautious approach, recommending that investors set clear stop-loss levels to mitigate potential losses. Others suggest that the current dip could be a buying opportunity for those who believe in the long-term growth of the semiconductor sector. In terms of trading strategies, experts recommend keeping a close eye on market trends and being prepared to adapt quickly. This might involve diversifying one's portfolio to reduce risk or taking a more conservative approach until the market stabilizes. To recap, we've discussed the current challenges facing Soxl, including economic uncertainty and supply chain issues. We've also explored expert predictions, which range from significant growth to potential declines. The overall outlook for Soxl stock is highly dependent on the recovery of the semiconductor sector and the broader market trends. If you've been following the semiconductor sector closely, I'd love to hear your thoughts on Soxl's future performance. Share your predictions in the comments below. Also, be sure to check out my previous videos for more insights on stock market trends and expert analyses.